Delivery.com promo code or delivery.com coupons, how to use. Whether it is a promo code or a coupon code, both are pretty much the same thing and implies the same thing. And you want to use them on delivery.com. There are many ways, or two ways specifically I will show you. First, you go to delivery.com or the app and log into your account. Once done, you can just see the coupon code icon from the top right hand side. When you click on it, you can see promos and you can click on apply promo. That is one way to do it. But another way that you can also do it is you can manually apply a coupon code or a promo code during the checkout process. For that, you can simply first of all go to your cart, review your order, and then from there you can simply first of all proceed to checkout. So click on go to the checkout page. Once you go to the checkout page right here, you'll be able to see these options where you can see the option called promos. So it is here where you have to simply enter the promo code manually, which you have, and then just click on the proceed to checkout button to be able to proceed it. This way you should be able to manually use promo code or coupon code on delivery.com. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.